Jaundice is a common symptom that arises due to various problems, either due to liver problems or due to extra liver problems. Treating jaundice is always challenging. Hence today I shall discuss about scientifically proven diet plan that helps to cure jaundice. This diet plan was proposed using analytic hierarchy process and fuzzy analytic hierarchy process technique as mentioned by Suvansi and Sanjay Kumar in their article. Before I begin this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get notified every time I post a video. Jaundice is the yellowish discoloration of skin which occurs due to high bilirubin levels. Increase in bilirubin levels can be caused by many reasons, like sickle cell anemia or thalassemia, in which the red blood cell breakdown occurs. Other is when liver cells are not able to take up bilirubin well. Example in case of alcoholic liver disease or cirrhosis of liver or hepatitis, or in genetic condition known as the liver syndrome. And the last one is when there is obstruction or restriction in the flow of the bile in the tiny bile ducts. That may be due to stones or cancers or worms or inflammation in the pancreas causing the pancreatitis. Besides yellowish eyes in skin, dark colored urine and pale stools may accompany the jaundice. So, identifying jaundice is easier, but its treatment is difficult. Because it's important to know the cause behind the jaundice and manage them accordingly, which even includes surgery. Whatever be the cause, diet plan for the jaundice remains the same, and its treatment is vital. Because untreated jaundice can impose serious health problems including brain damage known as encephalopathy. So let's start the diet plan for jaundice. Previous work in the field of diet recommendation has been done using varieties of techniques for different diseases like diabetes but not jaundice. So this article is the first of its kind to mention the diet plan about the jaundice. Hence, I shall list out jaundice diet that helps to cure it, which has been scientifically proven. The above article states that the diet required for the jaundice must contain carbohydrates, proteins, dietary fibers and vitamins in the right proportion, rather than escaping any one of them in the diet. Diet should be provided into 3 meals: breakfast, lunch and the dinner. This diet plan helps the person return to his health and function normally. The first and the foremost step in the recovery process is drinking plenty of water. Water not only keeps you hydrated but also helps in flushing out toxins from the body. In addition, sipping water throughout the day will also maintain electrolyte balance and cure weakness. In order to help consume a lot of water, you can add lemon or mint or glucose powder. Actual amount of the water required to be taken is always a topic of controversy. In order to make sure water intake is adequate, your urine output has to be measured. It should be around 1.5 to 2 liters per day for a normal 70 kg person. Besides water, other forms of liquid can also be drawn to meet the desired requirement, like the fruit juices or the vegetable juices or even the soups. Carbohydrates are the powerhouse of energy, but don't overdo the consumption of carbohydrate. Avoid complex carbohydrate as it consumes a lot of energy, and hence combine it with other nutrients which balance out. The sources of the carbohydrates are the cereals like the rice, even the glucose powder can be consumed. Proteins play a vital role in building muscles and repairing tissues. They are good sources of amino acids which are essential for the regeneration of liver, leading a speedy recovery from jaundice. The sources of the proteins include dal, pulses, legumes, a small portion of lean meat, or paneer. Dietary fibers are important as their metabolism don't consume a lot of energy. Increasing the intake of dietary fibers helps in flushing out the harmful toxins and also improve the overall function of liver. They also help regulate the bowel movements and absorb all the extra fat and sugar which are affecting the liver. In addition, it also helps in improving the immune system. The dietary fibers include the whole grains, oats, berries, almonds, green leafy vegetables. Vitamins and minerals help in maintaining body's electrolyte balance. They are also responsible for repairing the damaged cells and lowering down the oxidative stress from alcohol, drugs, or other factors which affect the liver. The example includes a lot of fruits and vegetables such as peas, avocados, tomatoes, lemons, and the grapes. What to avoid during the jaundice? Alcohol, complex foods such as the heavy cream milk, red meat, or oily foods or refined sugars that directly or indirectly puts the load over the impaired liver. Along with the above mentioned diet, take a lot of rest for a quick recovery because high bilirubin intoxication during the jaundice exhausts the body and typically leads to early fatigue, pain in muscles, and other symptoms. Hence, the excessive physical work in this sense is counterindicative. That's the end of the video. If you liked my video, don't forget to click that red subscribe button and hit the notification bell.